Well done, lad.
Yes, that's right. Check that out. At the weld on that. Oh, with the S. The car guy's dream, by the way. Just to point that out now. This is a car guy's dream.
Now I gotta ride or die.
Hi. Today we will be unboxing a $5,000 exhaust system for my BMW M4. Yes, that's right. $5,000 this was. So thank you so much to Stone Exhaust. They believe in me and you and this channel enough to gift us with this Stone exhaust system behind me. Pretty insane. Links in the description to these guys. But this is my first unboxing ever on the channel, so let's unbox the exhaust system. Okay, wow. Packed incredibly well. Well done, lads. Well done. Many, many protective sealed. Look at this. All of the packing. It's just a quick show of this. Oh my, that looks very, very... Look at the weld, mate. Oh, that is nice. So yes, this is a catback exhaust system for my 2015 BMW M4. So first off, yes, we have the mid pipe for the M4 there. Just show you this bit here. Stone exhaust stamp. We have a box here for the Valvetronic exhaust. It's basically still got a flap in it like the factory exhaust system. So that's good. Good times. Right, next up. Oh, I believe to be centre pipes. Again, just a quick appreciation of the welds. Just check that out. How stunning are these welds on this exhaust. Look at that. Look at that. Just hit my knee. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh mate, look at the weld on that. See, this is why you use just professional companies, because wow, look at the weld on that. That is absolutely stunning. I can't believe how nice the welds are and everything. That's insane. Right, a couple of boxes. Box there. Right, now for a rather large part, the back box. Oh, look at this. So yeah, valved, as you can see, valved. Box in the centre. Look at the welds, mate. Honestly, this is such a piece of engineering. Right, we've got some more mid pipe, centre pipes there. Welds, weld check. Yep, welds are still consistent and fantastic. Another pipe there. Nice little muffler there to go in the centre of the exhaust. Again, just going on this bit. Look at that weld. Look at the weld. And last piece of exhaust. Check the weld. Oh, yes, that looks insane. Right, laid everything out because that's what you do in unboxing. We'll unbox this bit though, because this is what I believe to be the tips. Something that I wanted, because this is the bit you're going to see first on this exhaust system. I wanted a really nice set of tips, and the guys at Stone Exhaust were like, oh yeah, we do these tips, and I'll show you in a second how lovely these tips are. This will go perfect with the M4, I tell you. This is literally a car guy's dream, by the way, just to point that out now. This is a car guy's dream, unboxing something like this for your car. Oh mate, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, with the S, Stone S on the end. Carbon fibre tips to go with the rest of the carbon on the M4. Mate, that is absolutely stunning bit of work. Look at the inside. I'm no expert with exhaust systems and stuff, but that, 4 of them out the back of the M4, mate. Ooh. everything is out, and as you can see, this exhaust system comes with just some madness. The welds, the carbon fibre tips, the management, it's just insane. And yeah, this is for my F82 Coupe M4, so the S55 engine. If anybody is after just one of the best exhaust systems out there, this is up there with seriously one of the most beautiful and nicest bits of engineering I've ever seen. Stone Exhaust are really proud to you know, be just top of their game with the exhaust systems, and as you can tell, they do not mess about when it comes to just perfection in everything. You can just see by the welds and just the finish on every single part is just next level. I have personally never had something this nice, especially to put underneath my car. But this actually comes with a Valvetronic exhaust system, so it's going to be put onto the car, and you're going to have this box that will control everything. On the M4s, it will still open up the exhaust system. And honestly, I cannot wait to hear this. It is going to sound biblical when this thing is on there, opening up that M4 with this absolutely insane exhaust system. It is just, again, for a car guy, this is the level. This is probably one of the nicest things I'm ever going to put on a car. So again, Stone Exhaust Systems, mate, absolute legends. And again, you're never actually going to see this. You guys will see this obviously going on the car, but just the level of quality, the level of detail that is going to be underneath the M4 is just another level. So guys, we'll leave that video there, and unboxing the first unboxing we've ever done on the channel, and is of the most insane exhaust system I'm ever going to own at the end of the day, I'm ever going to see and put on one of my cars. So again, huge thank you to Stone Exhaust Systems. Links are in the description if you're up for purchasing one of these. Again, having people like this coming to me and wanting to be part of the channel with you guys to create content, to create just mad exhaust systemness is fantastic. So again, go and show them support, go and follow them on social media, all that sort of good stuff. I'm just going to leave you guys with this because I cannot wait to get this on. With that guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no.